It's critical that a colour remains vibrant throughout the manufacturing process, as well as the product shelf life. That's why we test our colours to ensure they remain stable at different temperatures. Here's how we do it. We start by preparing multiple samples in application. In this example, we'll use our Emulsitec beta-carotene in beverages. Then, we measure the hue using a colorimeter. This measurement will serve as our baseline. We want the colour to remain as close to this measurement as possible throughout the heat test. Once we have our baseline, we start the test. Multiple samples of the same beverage are stored at different temperatures. One is refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius, one is at room temperature at 20 degrees Celsius, one is put in a hot box at 32 degrees Celsius. Each week during the test, we measure the colour of each sample to see if there have been any changes. At the end of the test, we take a final reading and compare it to the baseline from the start of the test. As you can see, the before and after readings are extremely close, meaning the colour remained consistent throughout the test at all three temperatures.